Nissan's new Platinum Edition SV Spec is available on all N-Connecta X-Trail models, offering styling enhancements inside and out, as well as improved connectivity. Aesthetically, the Platinum Edition brings with it side, front and rear styling plates, chrome mirror caps, chrome trunk lower finisher and front overrider. Buyers will also enjoy sport pedals, 18 inches metallic black alloys, and a WSB socket installed to benefit occupants in the second seating row. The price of the Platinum Edition is £1,999 including VAT, which is added to the OTR of the specified N-Connecta X-Trail spec. According to Nissan, customers will save £828 on the cost of parts alone, while all Platinum Editions will also be eligible for an additional £750 Nissan Deposit Finance Contribution, which means that the customer could be saving almost £1,600. Nissan's X-Trail Platinum Edition SV goes on sale from March 1 at participating dealers.